Voiceover on dog face, cat face, mouse face, hamster face, rabbit face, fox face, bear face, panda face, polar bear face, koala face, tiger face, lion face, cow face, pig nose, frog face, monkey covering eyes, monkey covering ears, monkey covering mouth, monkey, chicken face, penguin head, bird head, baby chick, recently hatched chick still in shell, standing chick, goose, duck, blackbird, eagle, owl, bat, wolf head, boar head, horse head, unicorn, moose face, bee, worm, caterpillar, butterfly, snail, ladybug, ant, fly, beetle, cockroach, mosquito, cricket, spider, spider web, scorpion, turtle, snake, lizard, Tyrannosaurus rex, sauropod, like dinosaur, octopus, squid, jellyfish, shrimp, lobster, crab, blowfish, tropical fish, dolphin, spouting whale, shark, seal, crocodile, tiger, leopard, zebra, gorilla, orangutan, mammoth, elephant, hippopotamus, rhinoceros, one-humped camel, two-humped camel, giraffe, kangaroo, bison, water buffalo, ox, cow, donkey, running horse, pig, ram, sheep, llama, goat, deer, dog, poodle, guide dog, service dog, cat, black cat, feather, wing, rooster, turkey, dodo bird, peacock, parrot, swan, flamingo, dove holding an olive branch, rabbit, raccoon, skunk, badger, beaver, otter, sloth, mouse, rat, chipmunk, hedgehog, paw prints, dragon, dragon head, phoenix, cactus, Christmas tree, pine tree, leafy tree, palm tree, chopped wood logs, seedling, branch with leaves, shamrock, four-leaf clover, Japanese New Year bamboo decoration, potted plant, Tanabata tree, leaves fluttering in wind, fallen leaves, maple leaf, bird nest with eggs, empty bird nest, mushroom, brown mushroom, seashell, coral, rock, ear of rice, flower bouquet, tulip, rose, wilted rose, hyacinth flower, lotus flower, hibiscus, cherry blossom, flower, sunflower, sun with face, full moon with face, first quarter moon with face, last quarter moon with face, new moon with face, full moon, waning gibbous moon, last quarter moon, waning crescent moon, new moon, waxing crescent moon, first quarter moon, waxing, gibbous moon, crescent-shaped moon, globe showing Americas, globe showing Europe and Africa, globe showing Asia and Australia, ringed planet, swirling star dizzy symbol, yellow 5, pointed star, glowing star, sparkles, high voltage sign, comet, explosion, fire, tornado, rainbow, sun, sun behind small cloud, sun behind cloud, sun behind large cloud, cloud, sun behind cloud with rain, thunder cloud and rain, cloud with lightning, cloud with snow, snowflake, snowman surrounded by snowflakes, snowman, wind blowing face, gust of wind, water droplet, water droplets, bubbles, umbrella with raindrops, umbrella, wave, fog, control center, selected, voice.